Okay, Brooke, I forgot to talk with you during the last quarter, and the last quarter is when we finally implemented this AI into support and chat. And I need you to explain what we have unleashed upon the people.
Absolutely. Yeah. So exciting things happening across support the past few weeks and months. A few months ago, we totally revamped our uLearn platform. So we've redone the search engine. We have built in AI. So you should notice the quality of responses that you're getting in uLearn when customers are searching for documentation, guidance on steps in the software is significantly improved. We built in an AI method of search there. So you actually get documents referenced and you'll get a quick summary of the steps that you're trying to achieve, which has been great. We also built in an AI chatbot into uLearn. So you can quickly go to the bottom right of your screen and you can interact with that AI chatbot. So a quick and easy way to ask questions, guide yourself towards reports that you're looking for, pretty much anything you would want to know about Essentials, Elite, Searings as well should be in the AI chatbot, which has been very exciting. And then building off of that momentum, we have started to embed the AI chatbot into our RMSs. So we went live with that in Essentials last week. We've had a lot of engagement from our customers, so super exciting to see. That is available in the latest version of Elite as well. And then Searings will be coming soon. So super excited to be able to offer our customers a different platform to be able to get help quickly and interact with that AI bot, whether you're looking for documentation or you have questions about the software.
Awesome. Yeah, I was wondering, since it was a process, can you go into like a little bit of the process of like how this came to be and how it's in the software, and kind of it sounds like people are enjoying it and people are using it, so that's good. But can you tell me a little more?
Yeah. So we've actually been talking about this since I think IC 23, and have engaged with a lot of our customers. And there's a lot of buzz out there about AI, right? And a lot of customers that, while they may be experts on the software, they're constantly onboarding new team members and they need to train up, a lot of users, right? So there was a need for, quicker guidance, quicker help, way to get staff members up to speed, give them the ability to self-serve a little bit. So it's been a long process. We've evaluated many different platforms out there. Anybody that's kind of dabbling in AI knows that there's tons of tools and options going on right now. So we've done a lot of diligence in evaluating those different tools, and I think it's gonna be a marathon, not a sprint. So we're going to continue to improve on this. Excited that we have it out there for customers now, so we can start getting feedback on, is this a useful tool? What else can we do to make this more valuable for you and your team? So it's going to be, a long-term process of continuing to iterate on our AI offerings and what we can do to get help for our customers quicker.
How should people provide feedback? Do they just like say it to the AI itself and be like, "Hey, that wasn't very helpful, dude," or do they message someone, or how does that work?
Yeah, yeah. So you can always, respond to the bot that, that wasn't helpful. We also built it out in a way that if the AI bot does not answer your question or does not provide assistance, then you can easily create a case from the bot without having to go, call in or email in and do that yourself. You can simply just tell the bot, yes, create a case for me. And then we'll have that feedback that the bot wasn't able to successfully answer the question. So then we'll get, a live person interacting with you. And then we're going to continue to take that feedback and build out better documentation, train the bot, just keep continuously improving that until we feel like, wow, this is solving a great portion of the questions that we do get from customers.
Awesome. Has it started to impact things over in support? Are you getting fewer questions? Is it working on that front?
Not quite yet, but I am hopeful. So Just I think last Wednesday it went live in Essentials, and we've had a great deal of engagement there. So we're running some, initial numbers and definitely seeing some instances where the answer was solved correctly and a case wasn't created. So not only was that a quick and easy experience for the customer, in return, like it should help our team be able to focus on those issues that really have to have a human touch and need a call and need a one-on-one session with the customer.
Awesome. Well, that sounds good. And maybe the reason that it hasn't had as much of an impact yet is because we haven't told people about it really. It's just kind of popped up there.
Yeah, yeah,
Um,
we're still pretty early on, but as we continue to get feedback and continue to iterate on the version that we're using and whatnot, I'm sure we'll do a lot more promotion and getting some direct feedback from some of our customers would be great.
the important thing is that I get to take some credit for a thing that I really had nothing to do with. Um, is there anything else that's going on in support since we didn't talk for our last quarter? Is there any other initiatives or any other things that we should tell the people about?
Yeah, so a couple of other things going on. We launched an objective this year around training. Quality of knowledge for our team is obviously a top priority for me, for our department, and I think from our customers as well. So we launched what we're calling 12 for 2025. So we basically gathered 12 specific topics that we feel like our advanced level knowledge, right? So 12 different areas, whether it be industry specific or elite essential specific, and we highlighted those. So once a month, we're doing a really in depth training session with our teams and then a subject matter expert. We're recording those trainings and building documentation off of it. So that's been going really well. We're trying to roll that out globally. So we keep the focus on developing our team members and getting subject matter experts on different areas of the software.
Awesome. Yeah, that sounds interesting and innovative. I like hearing what
Yeah.
what y'all are doing over in support.
Yeah. We've had a few great new pointers join the team this year. So a handful of team members coming on board right now have actually worked in the industry for many years. They've used Elite or Essentials, and that's already showing great value to the team, just being able to bring on resources that have been in the customer's shoes before and they understand, how different businesses utilize the software differently. They understand their challenges that they have with running their own business and customers. So super excited about some of the new pointers that we've brought on board this year. One more thing. So we've been doing some remodeling around the office. We moved our support team to a new location, and kind of leading into that, we're getting ready for IC25. So super excited about that. We're going to have our expert conference and our elite conference. So our team's preparing content and sessions and gearing up to host that in our office and at our headquarters later this year. So very excited, and we're doing things a little bit differently this year, which is fun.
For sure, yeah, and I think it'll be fun for anyone who has been to our offices before to see all of the changes because there's some big changes before I moved because I moved recently, but I know that there have been more even since I left. So
Yeah, major transformation. Very excited for that later this year.
awesome. Well, now thank you for everything. Unless there's another thing I forgot to mention.
I think those are the big things we have going on right now.
Perfect. Well, thank you for your time today. Thank you for all of the cool new stuff that you guys are doing over in support, and I look forward to talking with you next quarter.
Thanks, Brian.